The observers, do you have observers here?
I want to say that we are very happy and proud that this election has just come to an end. So we have a new office led by the president, the incoming president, Shadrack Maluki. They have a lot of work ahead of us. The programs is ongoing, and we should be able to move faster. We are going to support them also as they come in to make sure that the handing over is a process which should be smooth also.
I'm equipped, and I can assure you that my boss has said that the sport is leaving it in better hands, and I know that I'm going to take it to the next level. And of course, you must know that Paul Telegat is not leaving NOC. He's also going to be an honorary president in NOC. So he will be sitting in the board. So he will be there guiding every day, telling us where we need to what we need to do.